Good evening, dears. This is Salahuddin Sami before you, and I'm a software developer and data science professional. I've been developing for the last 6 years various types of applications, customized applications like customized ERP and accounting software and data analytics software. Uh, uploading data to RDBMS, my MySQL database, and then extracting those data for creating business dashboard for business intelligence. Um, I can offer my clients with very flexibility, the way they want it. Okay. So for example, here, this is one of the softwares, business intelligence applications, web applications that I developed for one of my clients. Let me just briefly introduce you to the software. This is basically for controlling and monitoring the outstanding sales receivables. For the company has many various types of accounts, and they have business in various regions. These are the various regions. Okay, so in these various regions, there are various types of customers. Okay, so they it is helpful for the directors of the company to have a look on the uh, on different types of customers. What how much they owe from different types of customers. For example, you can see that if we choose the region, so we can see that this uploads data from database, then shows. So what we can see in this region, like this is Borishal, in this region, 97.6% for these regions, total sales amount 97.6%, is occupied by key account types of customers. Okay, I mean so let's see that here it says that overaged outstanding. Okay, out of this company's outstanding sales outstanding which are overaged, the customers were supposed to pay, but they didn't pay within the credit limit, credit time allowed. So in this region, what we can see, if I select this region, it shows that what amount is contributed by what amount, what percentage is owed from various types of customers. Okay, for example, in this region, only one type of customer, that is key account customer. Okay, they form 97% of their overaged outstanding. So this company should take this dashboard, helps the directors to focus more to this type of customers. Okay, key account. Okay, so they need to think about whether they is management's call whether they should continue doing business with them, because for this reason around 97% of the overaged outstanding is captured by only one type of customer, that is key account customers. Okay, so and also we can see that this is just net outstanding. This is the net outstanding. The total amount that the company owes from various types of customers. This is overaged outstanding. Those outstanding, those trades receivable for which the allowed time has expired, but the customer didn't make the payment. Okay, and also we can see that here this also shows for this region, customers 60 days plus overaged outstanding. Okay, these outstandings are overaged by 2 months. Okay, so here we can see that also only one for this region, this key account type of customer makes 98% of their 2 months plus overaging. Okay, so this gives a various, for every region, the company, the client of the directors of my company for whom I develop the software, they can have a look at the outstanding health of various regions where they have business. Let's, for example, let's see, just select another region. Okay, so we have seen that this I how this the system works in the background. Let me just explain this. The whole data is kept in database. My client can dump the data from Excel sheet to my MySQL database. Okay, and then this data is directly taken from MySQL, and through advanced SQL, I'm using here advanced SQL queries, and by those queries I get the data through PHP and then show the data here in this dashboard. Okay, So now let's see here for Chitong one here. This is another region, and this let me just show these are just dummy data. Okay, these are dummy data. I'm just for presenting the software. I'm just using this. This is another region where my client has the business. So for example, we can see that here for this region, out of the total average amount, okay, like one type of customer like key account customer, they form 44%, and on the other hand another type of customer that also constitute a big portion of their overage outstanding, and that is 48% by corporate customers. Okay, okay, we can also see in case of 60 days plus customers, in case of 90 days, I mean 3 months plus overaged outstanding. Okay, so now let's see what other feature this software can offer for my client. This is really something awesome. Okay, here we can still look. For example, here this is summarized analytics. Okay, this is a summarized analytics for the total outstanding. What we can see that, for example, for the whole companies, first of all, if here's a drop down, if you we are able to choose a region, and without choosing a region, what you can see the, I mean, for all the customers. Okay, so let's see immature amount 60.1%. Okay, I mean for this company, out of its total net outstanding, 60.01% is immature. I mean they're within the allowed credit limit time. Okay, credit time. So credit period, they are 60%, the company is 60%, and outstanding aging below 30 days 72%. Okay, so and like this there are many breakdowns. Okay, what we can see, and it shows the percentage. So let's see what is the cool thing is that here if you choose a certain region, it all of a sudden it changes the all of the data for this specific reason. Okay, for example, this specific region immature or sales receivable is 80%, and other receivable amount is overaged. I mean they have crossed the limit of allowed payment, credit payment. Okay, so and these are different percentages. Here I'm showing the amount, and here I'm showing the percentage, and here I'm showing the cumulative percentage. Okay, I mean for example, this company has immature plus 1 to 30 days outstanding. I mean for this percentage 27.5, 56% of this region's outstandings are either immature or below 1 to 30 days, below 30 days. Okay, so this is really cool feature where broad summarized data and analytics can be observed by my client, and this is really helpful they for them. So for example, let me just show another, choosing another region. The data constantly changes, and the data is taken from MySQL. Then this is processed by using MySQL queries, and then using JavaScript, I'm here showing the summarized analytics for my client. Okay, and not only that, there is something more. For example, here is another thing that's crucial. For example, if my client wants to say top 10 customers with highest overage outstanding, who are those top 10 customers who are not paying my sales receivables, and but the time is already crossed. Okay, they're allowed, time for payment is crossed, but they are not, have not made the payment, and who are those top 10 customers? Okay, and here we can see the different things. Now let me just show this. There's just highlights from here. Also something is possible. Yeah, okay, available. So for example, customers who hold 50% of overage outstanding, this is really a nice thing. Okay, actually here my client wanted to see the regions. Okay, and who are the what type of customers. Okay, for example, just the company wants to know what are the regions that make 50% of my all overage outstanding. Okay, so here we can see that this region, and this region, and these are the customers, and these are the amounts, and they only this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 regions, 6 types of customers form 50% of all the receivables. Okay, which are overaged. This is really very summary information for the directors of any company that will help them take business decisions, take dues collection strategies, and make them help them with decisions for selling in the next time to these customers and making business in these regions. Okay, because they form the only the six rows from the 50% of the receivables of this company and this client. Okay, and there are more things, more summarized data, which is really handy for my client. Okay, and we can also see, we can also see here, let's see, for example, health, regions health. Okay, I think I've shown this to you, for every region, how different types of customers are contributing to our receivables. Okay, this is live, dashboard changes data and shows it instantly here. Okay, it's taken some time because my internet wi-fi connection is slow a little bit here. Okay, so I think you can see how it instantly changes data and very graphically and clearly shows the data for my client. Okay, and before finishing the, just region summary, this is another cool thing here. For look, this client has, for all of the regions, there is a summary card where my client will be able to see the region's name and how much is 90 days plus aging, how much outstanding is 90 days plus aging for this region, and how much is the overaged and net outstanding amount, 90 days plus age percentage. Okay, 90 days, for this region, out of total amount, what percentage is with 90 days plus aging. Okay, so for every region that where my customer has business, my client has business, it's showing the summarized, very nicely summarized, cards. Okay, so that's all for this business intelligence software that I developed for one of my clients. So thank you for watching. Okay, if you are interested, if you think making such an application, web application, database, MySQL, and PHP-based database and Java, here I developed everything from using very core things like I used HTML, Bootstrap, CSS, and then PHP for managing the backend data. So I am capable to offer my client with a high level of flexibility, the way they want, any report they want, anyway. Okay, so uh, that's all for this project. I will demonstrate another project with you soon, and see you then. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching.